Hello everybody, welcome to our channel 1 to Step. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can reset your TikTok For You page. If you want to learn more on that, please watch this video till the end. If you're new to our channel 1 to Step, please subscribe to our channel for more video tutorials like this one. And with that, we'll get started with the video. So first what you'll do is open your TikTok app and then you go to your profile, then you click on settings. And then you'll scroll down and click on free up space and you'll click clear your cache. Once you're done with that, you'll go back to your For You page, and here you will like the videos that you like. You'll scroll, and if you do not like a video or you don't like the content, you click on the share button and then click on not interested, and TikTok will then understand that you do not like that video. What you can also do is click on profile and again settings and privacy, and then click on under content and activity, click on content preferences, and under video languages you'll click on the language you want the videos to be shown in. So if you want French, if you want to learn French, you click on that language. Just choose a language that you want, and then TikTok will show you videos with that language preferentially. Once you leave a like or react to a video saying you're not interested in it, TikTok will understand your preferences, and within a few days to a week, TikTok will understand your algorithm and will push content that you like to your feed. So it's very easy to reset your TikTok For You page, guys. That's it. I hope you learned how to do it through this video. Leave a like on this video if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel 1 to Step and have a good day. Bye.